Hello students, welcome to the classes. In this session, we will see few basic problems on trigonometry. Okay, we have seen the six trigonometric ratios and we have seen the three identities. Okay, now in this class, we will derive we will see few trigonometric problems. Okay, so now let's see the first problem. The problem is if sine theta equals to 3 by 5, then find all other trigonometric ratios. Then find all other trigonometric ratios. So this is the problem. If sine theta equals to 3 by 5, then you are asked to find what? All other trigonometric ratios. So what to do? So let's do one thing. First, let us consider the right angle triangle. Okay. So let's consider the right angle triangle. Okay. And I'll write one more condition where theta, it lies between 0 degree to 90 degree. The theta value lies between 0 degree to 90 degree. Theta is any angle, right? And that angle lies between 0 to 90. They have given the some condition. Right. Now let's take the triangle here, right angle triangle ABC. Okay. So now let us consider this angle as theta. Okay, let's consider this angle as theta. Okay, so now what they have given? Sine theta, they have given sine theta equals to 3 divided by 5. Sine theta equals to what? 3 by 5. Now what is sine theta definition? Opposite by hypotenuse, right? So this is nothing but what? Sine theta is nothing but opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So in this case, what is the opposite side here? For theta, the opposite side is AB, right? So here I will write opposite side, right? And which is the hypotenuse here? AC is hypotenuse, right? Now what about BC? Adjacent side, right? This is adjacent side. Now we know sine theta is what? Opposite by hypotenuse, right? Now here opposite side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So here sine theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So AB by AC equals to, how much they are given? 3 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5. Now here, okay, so now let us consider the value of AB as 3 times some constant K. 3 times some constant K, and value of AC is nothing but 5 times the same constant K. See here, if you take the ratio as 3 by 5, okay, if you take the ratio of AB by AC, K and K get cancelled, we get 3 by 5 only. Why we should consider 3K and 5K? Why not just AB as 3, BC as 5? Because here they have given the ratio as 3 by 5. Okay, if I take the values as 6 by 10. Okay, now what is this? 2 3s are 2 5s are. Again, this ratio is equal to 3 by 5 only. But the values are different here. It means the value of AB is 6. Value of AC is 10, right? But the ratio remains 3 by 5. Here, if I take AB as 3, AC as 5, okay, there also the ratio is same, 3 by 5. But here, you cannot take, when they are given the ratio, you cannot take AB as 3 directly, because the ratio may be simplified and we could have got 3 by 5. That is why what we do is, we consider AB as what? 3 times some multiple. Okay, some multiple is nothing but K. See here I will write where K is any real number, where K is any constant. Okay, where k is any constant. Okay, so now if you take the ratios, now here you get what? 3 by 5 only. Now we got AB and we got AC. Now what to do? You should apply Pythagoras theorem. So here you apply Pythagoras theorem by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. Right? AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. Right? What's the value of AB? AB is nothing but 3k. Right? So this is 3k whole square plus BC. Do you know BC? We don't know. I'll keep it as it is. BC square as it is. What is AC? AC is 5k. So I write 5k whole square. Right? Now square it. 3 square 9. We get 9k square. 9k square plus BC square equals to 25k square, because 5 square is 25k square. Now 9k square that side. BC square equals to 25k square minus 9k square. Right, BC square equals to 25 minus 9, 16k square. Now what's the value of BC then? BC is nothing but what? 4k. So we got the value of BC as what? 4k. Now we got the value of BC. BC is nothing but what? 4k. Now what they have asked? Find all other trigonometric ratios. See, they have given sine theta. Let's find all other trigonometric ratios. Let's find cos theta. Cos theta is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. Right. So BC by AC. Cos theta is BC by AC. Right. BC is 4k. AC is 5k. K and k cancel. We get what? 4 by 5. Cos theta is 4 by 5. Right. Now find tan theta. Tan theta is what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AB. Adjacent is BC. We get what? AB by BC. AB by BC. AB is how much? AB is nothing but what? We have 3k. And BC is nothing but 4k. K cancel. You get what? 3 by 4. Right. Now find cosec theta. Cosec theta is nothing but what? Hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse is AC. Opposite is what? AB. So AC by AB. AC is how much? 5k. AB is how much? 3k. K and k cancel. We get what? 5 by 3. Right. Now what is sec theta? Sec theta is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is AC. Adjacent is BC. So we get AC by BC. AC is 5k. BC is 4k. K and k cancel. We get what? 5 by 4. Right. Now the last one is what? Cot theta. What is cot theta? Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is BC. Opposite is AB. So you get what? BC by AB. Right. We found the value of BC. That's nothing but 4k. And value of AB is nothing but how much? 3k. Right. So 4k by 3k. K and k cancel. We get what? 4 by 3. So these are the 5 trigonometric ratios they have asked you to find. That's how we solve a problem when they have given one trigonometric ratio and asked other trigonometric ratios.